Today we're going to be installing a front bumper on this here 2018 Cadet XT1 LT 46-inch lawn tractor. We bought this brand new and it's been a fairly decent mower, and we've left it completely stock, no cosmetic mods. Hasn't really needed any repairs, really, just oil changes and whatever. A light bulb went out, gotta replace that soon, but no big deal. But I noticed the new Cub Cadets have those awesome front bumpers. Some of them do anyways. Those look cool, and here on the farm that could be real useful. I mean, when my grandma hits, in case she hits anything or whatever. So here's the box, and I had this a while now. Haven't installed it yet. And these are all over eBay and Amazon. I got mine from Amazon. I think it was $40, maybe $30. And it looks like we have holes here that come from the factory on the mower. This should, in theory, mount right up. You got your bumper, and then we have some mounting hardware here. And it also came with some directions. So yeah. It comes with these caps, 2 black caps, and those go on the open parts of the ends of the bumper. They just pop in with some effort, get them flush. There we go. That part's done already. And it should just mount right up here, ideally. Okay. You can kind of see how I slid it on there, and it's also kind of self-explanatory. I'll show you where exactly I put it after I get it installed here. The bolts almost look too long. Maybe. Hopefully not. But I'm fairly sure at the $30 or $40 price point this is aftermarket. Alright, what size is this now? Alright, looks like we're using 9/16. As you can see, we got it installed. The bolts that come with it are actually a 13, not what I mentioned before. They are a bit long. They don't hit anything, but it's just kind of unnecessarily long. This here one, the other 3 went good. But then this one, they had this thing as like a nut on the other side. And the other 3 worked good, but this one failed, came off the bumper. The bolt got stuck, I just grinded it off and threw a random bolt and nut in there. I mean, it looks a little different, but no one's really gonna notice other than me. And it does its job. Being aftermarket, I was a little worried about fitment. Maybe I'd have to bend it, but it fit right in there. You can see where it mounts here. Super easy just to slide it in place and then bolt it up. So, and it don't feel too cheap either. This is definitely going to be good for in the yard. If anyone ever does hit anything when they're driving it, it's going to save the hood, or should for the most part. Save the hood, and it looks pretty dang cool if you ask me. So, yeah. That's a review and install on a aftermarket bumper for these Cadet lawn tractors, and I like it so far. Thanks for watching.